Question number 9 is about integration, right? So let's have a look at the question number 9. Diagram 9 shows shaded region under the curve. Y is equal to P plus QX squared, where P and Q are constants. Right, this is a curve and the area is under the curve. Okay, there's a point given and a curve given, right? Given that the area of the shaded region is 9 unit square, the values of P and Q. Now I'm going to focus on the part A first. So let's see part A. Diagram 9 shows a shaded region, right? Okay, we are going to, when we see the shaded region, is always integration. So we are going to integrate the curve, right? So please bear in mind that when you want to integrate, you must have the limits, right? And the area was given, area for a shaded region. Alright, so if I'm going to integrate, this is the limit 0. This one, 2 is the limit, so I label here 2. So I will integrate 0 to 2, right? For the function given px. This is a function, right? P plus qx squared. Alright, let's write down the function. It's bounded by y-axis, so it's dx. Here y. And the area was given by the integration value from 0 to 2 for this function is representing by the area, but the area is positive, right? But the integration value will be negative, even though the area is 9 unit, because the area is a magnitude of the integration value, which is positive 9. Area will be forever positive, but integration value depends on the graph. So you cannot say integration value is positive 9. You can say area is positive 9, but integration value you must put negative 9. Right? When you integrate, you will get the value first before you convert to area. Right? So make sure you understand the concept. Right? So this is integration value from 0 to 2 P plus QX squared dx. So let's solve it. We need to find the P and Q, right? So we need to integrate. Alright, so I'm going to show you here. Let's integrate P plus QX squared, right? Dx, and then the limit is 0 to, and the value of the integration value is negative 9. First of all, you need to convert the integration value from the area given, because the area is below the x-axis. Now if I integrate P is a constant, example 3, you integrate 3, you get 3x, right? So you integrate P, you get px. This one you have to raise a power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Got it? And then you have to substitute the limit from 0 to 2 equal to negative 9. Okay? So if I'm going to substitute px squared, let me simplify, px cubed over 3, I'm going to substitute with a 0 to negative 9. So if I substitute the 2 inside here, I'll get 2p, right? If I substitute 2 here, I'll get 2 power 3 is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 cubed over 3 is minus p times 0. I think we should know that all these are 0, right? Even though you can see we just substitute, it will give you 0, right? So finally I have one equation, 2p plus 8q over 3 equal to negative 9. Now this is one equation. Okay, we will leave it first. We need another equation. How to get another equation? You should have 2 equations in order to solve the P and Q simultaneously. Now you see for the graph, they give you the point. When they give you the point, you can always substitute the point. Always use a point, okay? Substitute into the equation. So you can say negative 12.5 is equal to P plus Q times 2. Hence, you got another equation, right? Which is P is equal to negative 2Q, I bring over, minus 12.5. Alright, so we are going to substitute this one into equation just now. This is equation number 2. Substitute 2 into 1. Okay, so you get this equation. P is negative, this one got square, isn't it? Wait, let me see. Oh, okay, this one got square. Okay, we have to substitute square here. Double check. Okay, let me do it here. Where is my pages? Okay, from the equation just now, alright, we have the equation. So if we substitute negative, the y is equal to P plus Qx squared, right? Okay, so we can substitute y is negative 12.5 is equal to P plus Q times 2, right? 2 squared. So I will get the P is equal to negative 12.5 minus 4Q. So this is equation number 2. We substitute 2 into 1. Here, sub 2 into 1. Okay, let's do it here. Substitute 2 into 1. Okay, our equation is, just now P is negative 12.5 minus 4Q. So this is equation number 2. So we sub 2 into 1. Substitute 2 into 1. Okay, so 2, when you see P, we write negative 12.5. Negative 12.5 minus 4Q plus the 8Q over 3 equal to negative 9. Alright, so let's solve it now. We have negative 25 here. If we multiply in, this one is negative 8Q plus 8Q over 3 equal to negative 9. Now we can say that negative 8 plus 8 over 3Q, negative 8Q plus 8 over 3Q is equal to negative 9 plus 25, right? Negative 9 plus 25. Negative 9 plus 25 is 16, right? 16. Okay, here we can say we made the denominator as times 3 over 3 plus 8 over 3Q. So finally we have negative 16Q, right, over 3 is equal to 16. So hence the Q is, we can cancel out the 16, negative 3, right? Okay, then we can find the P. P is equal to negative 12.5 minus 4 times Q, negative 3, which is negative 12.5 plus 12. So the P is negative 0.5. So finally, we have solved the constant. P is negative 0.5 and Q is negative 3. Right? That is the answer for P and Q. Right? So we use a concept is area is represented by integration value. When it is below the x-axis, it will be negative. And also we use a point lies on the equation. You can substitute the point into the equation and you will solve the two equations simultaneously. Alright, that's all my sharing about question number 9A. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.